Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Vector Charts. In this video, I'll show you how you can use vector charts to add nautical charts to QGroundControl when you're mission planning with drones. This video assumes you've already signed up for a Vector Charts account. If you haven't done that, go to vectorcharts.com and click Get Started. Once you've signed up, you'll see the Vector Charts Cloud dashboard. This is where you'll manage API tokens and copy the information needed to add vector charts to your application. I also have QGroundControl open. QGroundControl is a very popular drone mission planning software, and we can add vector charts to it, changing the background tile URL for maritime usage. QGroundControl doesn't support vector tiles, but it does support raster XYZ tiles, which are a fallback that Vector Charts offers for software that doesn't support vector tiles. First, we'll need to go to the Vector Charts dashboard and copy the URL for the raster endpoint, which renders the vector tiles as images. Go to the Get Started box and click the dropdown, then select Other Raster Map. This will provide you a URL template that we can use in QGroundControl along with the token parameter string. I'll copy this and then go back to QGroundControl. Inside QGroundControl, if you click the Q symbol and then go to Application Settings, we can edit the settings for QGroundControl itself. This may differ on older versions of QGroundControl, but if you go to the Maps tab, you'll see you can change the maps provider and other imagery settings. In this case, we have a custom URL. So we'll go down to the bottom of the map provider list, select Custom URL, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, we'll set the server URL using the string that we've copied from vectorcharts.com. Once we've done that, we can exit the application settings and then scroll around. You'll see that it may take a couple seconds for the initial tiles to load, but after that, the charts are ready to go. Once you have nautical charts in QGroundControl, you can use it as a background layer to perform mission planning. For example, here I'll go into the flight planner and I'll plan out a survey that covers this anchorage area. In this case, Vector Charts is providing us the additional information we need to know where the right area to survey is. Here I'll create a survey box. And if I was connected to a drone right now, I could actually send this and operate this. And that's how easy it is to use vector charts to add nautical charts for your mission planning needs.